Cell division. What is cell division? The process by which new cells are formed is called as cell division. The process by which new cells are formed is called as cell division. And why are new cells formed? New cells are formed in organisms to grow to replace old, dead and injured cells. When an organism grows, new cells are needed, and also to replace the old and the dead cells also new cells are needed. So the process by which new cells are formed is called as cell division. And to form gametes also, cell division is required. What are gametes? We have already studied last year about the male gamete sperm and the female gamete the egg. So for the production of these also, cell division is required. Now there are two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. The two types of cell division are mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. In mitosis, the cell division by which most of the cells divide for growth, that is called as mitosis. The cell division in which most of the cells divide for growth, it is called as mitosis. In mitosis, the mother cell will give rise to two identical daughter cells. You can see here, this is the mother cell. And as a result of mitosis, two identical daughter cells are formed. Now, can you count the number of chromosomes that are present in the mother cell? Yes, 2. Usually, the chromosomes are always present in pairs. They are called as 2n. That is, they will be in pairs always. That is the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that, the chromosomes will be present. Now, during cell division, the number of chromosomes will get increased. That is, that chromosome will undergo replication or it will double. As you can see here, the chromosome number has become 4. And then after that, the cell will divide and it will divide the chromosomes equally so that each daughter cell will again receive only 2 chromosomes. So the daughter cells will have the same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. The daughter cells will be having the same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. Once more. Now here you can see that the mother cell has 2 chromosomes. How many chromosomes does a mother cell have? It has 2 chromosomes. And just before cell division, the number of chromosome increases. Or the DNA will replicate or it will get doubled. So the number of chromosomes become 4. And as a result of cell division, each daughter cell is getting 2 chromosomes. So the daughter cells will get the same number of chromosomes as the mother cell. Now this type of cell division is called as mitosis and it helps in growth and repair of tissues in organism. The type of cell division in which the number of chromosomes remains the same in the daughter cell as that of the mother cell, that is called as mitosis. Next division is meiosis. Now meiosis takes place in the cells of the reproductive organs and it will lead to the formation of gametes. Now let us see what happens during gamete formation. Now here you can see that the mother cell is having 4 chromosomes. Right, you can see that the mother cell is having 4 chromosomes. And now here, what is happening just before cell division? What is happening? The chromosome number is doubling or the DNA is replicating, as a result of which now here there are 8 chromosomes. Now these 8 chromosomes, they are divided equally to the 2 cells so that each of them is having 4. Now once more the division is going to occur. What is happening? Once more the division is occurring. As a result of which what happens? 4 daughter cells are formed and each daughter cell is having only 2 chromosomes. So as a result of further division, what is happening? 4 daughter cells are formed and each daughter cell is having only 2 chromosomes. So now you can see here the mother cell is having 4 chromosomes and how many daughter cells are produced? 4 daughter cells are produced and each daughter cell will be having only half the number of chromosomes as that of the mother cell. Mother cell is having 4 and the daughter cell will be having only 2. And how many cells are produced? 4 cells are produced, each of them having half the number of chromosomes. Now why is the chromosome number reduced like this? As you know, after gamete formation, what happens? Yes, fusion of the male and the female gametes will take place. So when the fusion of male and female gamete take place, what will happen? The number of chromosomes will be restored to the original number. So that is why the number of chromosomes is being reduced. So that when reproduction takes place, when the fusion of the male and the female gametes takes place, the number of chromosomes can be regained. It can go to the original number. So now let us see both the divisions together. Mitosis and meiosis. Let us see the difference. Here 4 daughter cells are formed and here only 2 daughter cells are formed. In meiosis 4 daughter cells are formed, in mitosis only 2 daughter cells are formed. Next difference is that in mitosis the number of chromosomes will be same as that of the mother cell. The number of chromosome will be same as that of the mother cell. And here the number of chromosomes will be half. So that is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. As you know, all the cells in human body have 46 number of chromosomes. How many number of chromosomes? 46. That is, in human beings 2n is equal to 46. Now all the cells in the human body, all the organs in the human body, they will be having 46 number of chromosomes except the reproductive cells. What are the reproductive cells? The sperms and the egg, or the gametes, the male and the female gametes. Other than the male and the female gametes, all the cells in the human body will be having 46 number of chromosomes. And for growth and for repairing the worn out tissues, the cells will divide by mitosis. So as a result of mitosis, the cell will divide and it will give rise to 2 cells. Each of the cells will be having 46 number of chromosomes. So mitosis will occur for growth and for replacing the worn out tissues. And for this, the division mitosis will be happening, and as a result of mitosis 2 cells will be produced and both the cells will be having 46 number of chromosomes. Now these cells are called as the somatic cells. The cells that are having the diploid number of chromosomes or 2n number of chromosomes, they are called as the somatic cells. Now meiosis. Meiosis will be occurring in the reproductive organs. In the reproductive organs, just before gamete formation, meiosis will happen. So in the reproductive organs also, all the cells will be having 46 number of chromosomes, that is diploid number or 2n. All the cells are having 46 number of chromosomes, that is diploid or 2n. And as a result of meiosis, what happens? 4 cells are produced and each cell will be having only half the number of chromosomes. They will be having only 23 number of chromosomes. They are called as haploid. The gametes, they are said to be haploid because they are having only half the number of chromosomes. Okay, so how many cells are produced by meiosis? 4. And these 4 gametes, they will be having only half the number of chromosomes, that is, they will be having only 23 number of chromosomes. These are the reproductive cells. All the other cells in the body that are having the diploid number of chromosomes or 46 number of chromosomes, they are called as the somatic cells.